bounce, bounce, bounce. Can you see me from under the water? This is so much fun. All right, Masha, here's your balloon. Don't fly away. Whoa! Oh no! It's lifting me higher and higher. Oh no! My balloon flew away. Where is it? It's in the water. I gotta get it. I've gotta save my balloon. Masha, Masha, where are you? I can't see you. She's right here. It's our Masha snap-in fashion, Masha. Look at this. It includes 3 outfits. We've got a cute blue swimsuit and a little rubber ducky float. This really pretty pink polka dot dress. And Masha with her hoodie that we know she always wears. Hey, look at that. It even comes with her balloon. Let's get Masha out of here. Masha has so much fun stuff to wear. How about we get her in her cute little swimsuit first? Okay, we should unsnap her dress. And we'll take off her pink shoes. And then we can put on her swimsuit. Do you see that the front of her has a heart shape? And so does the front of the bathing suit. So we'll put those together. And then the back has a circle, and so does the back of the bathing suit. There she is. She's ready for swimming. But let's put on her flip-flops too. She looks so cute in them. We can also change out her hairpiece. Maybe we don't want the flower to get wet. So we'll take it off and put in this one that doesn't have a flower piece. There's a little hole on top. I think Masha's ready to swim with her ducky. Here's a nice place to swim, and it has a slide. Okay, let me get in my rubber ducky float. Here I go, big splash, woo! I'm floating in the pool. This is so much fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. Can you see me from under the water? This is so much fun. I think it's Bear's turn to go down the slide. Come on in, Bear. Oh yeah, here I'm coming. Watch out below! Whoa! Oh, that feels really nice. Bear's gonna get some pink bath paint on him. Oh no, it's covering his face. Gotta get in that water. Is it Masha's turn? I think so. Here comes some green bath paint. Ah! It's in my nose! Okay, Masha, time to get that cleaned off of you. Let's wash off your face. Sorry. You should close your eyes when I'm trying to clean you off. A little bit more. Now we can dry you up. I've got your favorite Paw Patrol towel. Here we go. We'll wrap you up inside and get all dried off. Okay, Masha, time to get out of that bathing suit. Pool time's over. Okay, how about we put you in this dress? We'll snap on the front and the back. Oh yeah, that's looking good, but uh-oh, your little toes are out. Let's put your shoes on. Here's one shoe. And the other. I think it's all finished. No, wait, what about my hoodie? Oh yes, how could I have forgotten? Alright, here we go. Let's wrap it up under your chin so it will stay nice and tight. Oh, you look great, Masha. Oh no, I forgot to get my ducky float out of the pool. I've got to reach in and get it. Come here, little no, Ducky, come here. I can almost get you. Oh no! Oh no, I've fallen in the water in my dress and I'm all wet. I guess while I'm in here, I might as well get my Ducky cleaned up too. Let's get some more bath paint in here. Alright, I think the Ducky would like some of this orange bath paint. Oh, it got on his beak too. Okay, Ducky, hop in and let's get it rinsed off. Quack, quack, quack. Well, I'm all wet. I might as well get bath paint on me too. Okay, here it comes. How about all in your hair? Oh, and it's on your face. I better get rinsed off now. I've got to get out of these wet clothes. Maybe I could find my balloon in my polka dotted dress. Okay, let's get you changed out of there. We'll take off your hood and slip off your shoes. Out of that dress. It's all wet. Whoa. Now let's get that beautiful polka dotted dress on. That looks good. And slip on your other shoes. Hey, I think something's missing from on top of my head. Oh yeah. Let's put it back on. We'll use the one with the flower. That's better. Now I've got to get my balloon. Alright, Masha, here's your balloon. Don't fly away. Whoa! Oh no! It's lifting me higher and higher. Oh no! My balloon flew away. Where is it? It's in the water. I gotta get it. I've gotta save my balloon. Here's your balloon, Masha. Now we're both all wet. I had so much fun playing with Masha in the water today. She really splashed around. Do you remember what color bath paint went on Bear? If you know, leave your answer in the comments section. Whoa, Bear, what is that sound? Oh, that's my belly growling. I'm feeling kind of hungry. Oh, well maybe there's something I can do about that. I could make something for you. That would be wonderful. What do you like? I like things that are sweet and delicious. Okay, how about some yummy sweet treats? Yeah. Oh, thanks, Goldie. No problem. Sweet treats coming right up. Okay, let's make some yummy sweet treats to help Bear's tummy not be so empty. Let's start with our batter. This is the yummy sweetness. And we'll just scoop some into our cup. But it's just white. Let's add a little color. I'll add some blue. And I'll add some yellow. What color do you think we'll get when we mix it? Let's see. It's green. Yellow and blue make green. Now let's put Bear's treat into the microwave. Hey, what happened to our sweet treat? We got a surprise instead. It's Masha. Let's try that again. We'll put our batter in. This time we'll do some blue and some red. What color will it make? Let's mix it up and see. I see the color. It's purple. This time, let's add some sprinkles to our batter. That looks like fun. It's ready for the microwave. Hey, what happened to our batter? It's Bear from Masha and the Bear. Hey Bear, I'm so glad you came. We're trying to make sweet treats. Oh, yum, I love sweet treats too. Yay! Guess we need to mix up some more batter. What colors will it be this time? How about red? And yellow. What color is it gonna be? Let's mix it together. We got a beautiful shade of orange. Let's toss in some sprinkles. We're ready for a party. Our batter's ready for the microwave. Hey, what's in there? Woodsy's bobblehead? Let's open it up. Here's a guide for Series 1. This is Missy Mouse. Let's see her bobble. Silly bobblehead. This has been a lot of fun. Alright, batter into the cup. Let's do our blue. What a pretty shade. It reminds me of the ocean. Let's add some sprinkles. Now it's gonna go in our microwave. Can't wait to see what we'll get. Look what we have! A Disney princess fashion. Princess Aurora. I love the way her dress moves. Let's try this one more time. In goes our batter. Oh, I know what color I'd like you to use. What color is that, Goldie? Yellow coloring, just like my Goldilocks. Okay, you got it. Okay, Goldie requested yellow, so here it goes. It's funny that it drips out red. Wow, do you think it's a golden yellow, just like Goldie's hair? How about our sprinkles? Those look good in the yellow. Time to put our batter in the microwave. Oh my, what's this? A Peppa Pig microlight? It's George. Goldie, thanks for making all those sweet treats and toy surprises for me. No problem, I knew you'd like it, Bear. I think that my favorite surprise toy was Masha. How did you make her again? I know I mixed some colors together, but I don't remember what color I got. Maybe somebody at home knows. Yeah, if you remember what color batter we used to get Masha, leave your answer in the comment section.